Anand, you've seen the numbers. The bar was pretty low, but it seems like a relatively encouraging
I think
report.
this is a big sigh of relief for investors who are looking for Nvidia to return to its old growthy paradigm. We seem to be working through inventory. It was an inline quarter with earnings leverage. So solid, good, big sigh of relief. That's the way I would phrase it.
What's working right now for the company?
Look, gaming is still 55-ish% of the business, right? So we think that the long-term sales growth rate for gaming is sort of in the low teens, right? There's some little China bumpiness that's going on right now. We think that there's an architecture transition that could potentially impact this growth rate. There's a new feature called ray tracing that is sort of clouding things up. But in the long run, multiple years, we think that sales growth for GPUs tied to gaming is sort of in the low teens, right? So the second part of the business is GPUs have become all popular in the data center for AI training, right? So that's about 30% of the business. This business is going gangbusters, right? But that business is going through a little bit of an air pocket as well. So second half hopefully is better than the first half. We think that that's a long-term growth business as well. Intel's a little bit on the ropes, if you may. So all of these things help, but the fact that they're able to continue on this slow reversion path using both of these pillars of gaming and AI/data center, I think these are the big things.
To make it circular, another key pillar had been crypto. Certainly,
Yes,
it had caught on to the wind of excitement, whether or not it actually meant that much in terms of overall revenue, but graphics chips were going really good because of that. The sudden turn up in crypto once again, is that going to be a beneficiary? Or people
third pillar come, third pillar go. Look, it's true. In fact, one of the things that I wanted to ask Barry, who was our guest earlier, is whether the fundamentals of mining have changed and if the landscape has changed. We've seen institutions come in. Blockchain is an interesting phenomenon, and it'll be slowly widely adopted, I'm sure. But to the extent that new currencies are being mined, the economics of which are different, will that become a significant portion of NVIDIA's business again? I doubt it, only because they've been bitten so hard by this business, by rapid ascent and the rapid decline. I think they'll carefully control its exposure there.